where I'm going to direct Angelina how to set up a Metamask. This is going to be how to do it on PC. The process between PC and phone is actually very similar. We are with our Get Anubit Now section going to make it even easier. It has just simple links where you basically can connect your MetaMask, add your chain, and then import the token. We're going to make it even easier yet, but this is kind of, we'll call this the old school way to do it. Angelina is going to be a pro. So first things first, go ahead and Google add MetaMask or MetaMask. It is Metamask. Click on the linky link, and then click on the little Chrome thing right there. Yeah, download for Chrome. Add to Chrome, add extension. Easy peasy, fresh and squeezy. It downloads, you got to give it a second, let the internet do its thing, and then pops up. All right, so just like that, we're off to the races. This is where you hit get started. You can agree or disagree. It's going to work whether you, it doesn't matter. So if you already have a MetaMask, this is where you can import your wallet and your seed phrase. We're not going to do that. She's going to create one from scratch. Go ahead and create a wallet. And then choose your password carefully. Don't show anyone.
Let's see.
They're all going to see the seed phrase anyway. So go ahead and I have read and agree to the terms of use. Create. Go ahead and click next. And then in the gray area, click the little lock. Reveal the secret words. So take those words for now and copy those. Put them in at right click, go to copy, and minimize the Google Chrome window. Go to your desktop, right click, go to text file, new, text file. Go ahead and type seed. Hit enter, enter. Control V or paste. And let's go back to your MetaMask. So, no, go ahead and it's minimized. So just hit Control Tab. Oh, it's not really working. Hey, Tanya. The MetaMask, sorry, this won't be a problem for you guys. It's just a problem for us.
Yes.
Oh, I see.
Isn't it?
Because we're on the wrong screen. There we go. So we're just going to go here. Yep. We're going to go to here.
Awesome.
So now we can enter according to, let me put this on the right hand side. Go ahead and click on object. You got to do them in the order. Bicycle, survey, says, bridge, blood, pass, comic, flame, October, and you got to guess the last three. No, I'm just kidding. Go ahead and drag it over. So you're going to have to oh,
so
there you
table.
go. Table surround rice. And you're going to have to go one screen over to the left. No, leave that where it is. Go one screen over to the left with your cursor.
I see.
To the left. Go to the left. Keep going. There you go. Table surround rice. And click confirm. You got it. Sorry, you guys are going to have it easier. We're dealing with multiple screens. Oh, look. Is that one? Nope, that's that one. Click all done. And voila, you now have a new MetaMask wallet set up.
Wow.
But it's not really usable to you yet. So go ahead and go to open a new tab and go to chain list list, chain list, dot WTF.
Oh, I can't even spell apparently. And you said dot what?
Dot WTF. Like what the? And then under the search, type in Binance. And then hit connect wallet right there. So click Metamask. Click next. Click connect. Boom. And now hit add chain. And it's going to take you to another pop-up. And hit approve. Switch networks. And voila. Go ahead and check out your MetaMask. Let's see how it looks under that tab. You're going to have to, there you go. Look at that, just like that. Now, in the top, you'll see that drop down right there. Go ahead and you'll see how initially it defaulted to Ethereum, and we custom added using that chainlist.wtf, we custom added the Binance Smart Chain. So let's go ahead and open up another tab. And that one's going to be a very sophisticated Anubit.com. There you go. I love it. Go to copy address. Now go back to your MetaMask, and right there where it says import tokens in blue, click that. Go ahead and try one more time. And paste. And hit add coin. And hit next. Sorry, I'm in front of it. So now go ahead and go into account and go back in the top left. Now you can see that we've properly done two things. We loaded the Binance Smart Chain. Well, we actually did three things. You created a MetaMask from scratch.
And then
You loaded the Binance Smart Chain instead of the default Ethereum, and you imported a custom token.
That was actually really easy.
I think that only took a couple minutes. We're going to make it easier. On our site, under the Get Anubit Now section, you're going to have a couple quick links as soon as we deploy that. One of which will be, of course, to create the MetaMask. You'll click another button, which you won't have to go any tabs from there. You'll just say load Binance Smart Chain, and it'll import it automatically to MetaMask. And then you'll hit one button, which will automatically go to import the token. So we're gonna make it easier yet, but this was still pretty darn simple.
Yeah, this is. I thought we were gonna be here for about 10 minutes.
So we are gonna have a follow-up video. Yeah, how long did it take? What, 5 minutes or less?
Like 5 minutes or less.
Yeah, 5 minutes. Granted, you had a wonderful teacher, but yeah, very, very quickly to do so. Now, you don't have any Anubit showing up in that account. That is it's really sad. I can't send any to it right now. Technically, I could send an Anubit, but that would be, since your seed phrase is public, that would be kind of a problem. Let's go ahead and do one last thing. In the top right, you see how there's kind of like a little, I don't know what it, no, very top right of the browser. There's that funky icon, looks like a hammer. Yeah, click that. Now, under that, oh, you're going to have to go a screen over, sorry. Go ahead and click it. That little pin icon next to MetaMask, go ahead and click that. Now, I like doing this. It shows your MetaMask minimized. Go ahead and close your MetaMask tab now. Okay. And if you were to click that, go ahead and close the chain list tab, close the, close all that. There you go, leave it like that. Click on that little icon, the little fox guy, go ahead and click it. This is a really convenient way if you have a laptop or a browser on your computer. You don't have to have it as a tab open, it'll always kind of be there. It just minimizes, you can call it at any time. Now let's say that, go ahead and click on that funky hammer thing again, whatever that is. And we can always unpin it, right? You can click the unpin and click the 3 dots next to it real quick. And go to remove from Chrome and remove. So if it's ever removed and you load it again, go ahead and go to MetaMask again and go download for Chrome, start the process all over again and hit add extension. Should pop up. Give it a second. Here we go. It's going to have you start over from scratch. So unless you know your seed phrase, you can't get back in again. If you did know your seed phrase, like you should have recorded, go ahead and get started and go to agree and go to import wallet. Go ahead and go back to that text file you have open. It's on the right-hand screen. There you go. Let's enter those again. You have to type them. Object. Let's make this a little easier on ourselves with the text file. Here, let me borrow this real quick. Here, hold on real quick.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Bicycle. And then number 3 is survey. And then bridge. Blood. Avant tout ça, blood. Someone accused me of looking like Adam Sandler, which is
what?
Horrible. Who could have? I don't know.
Tell you that?
Just awful people.
Fuck, that's so messed up.
It is, isn't it? Who was that?
So sad.
Sad.
Sad, sad.
Invalid secret phrase. Here, let's see where you messed up. So if you click these, let's find the one that might be survey looks good, bridge looks good, blood, pass, comic, flame, October, table.
Oh.
All right. So you can see that if you do mess up on something, you can reveal one word at a time. Confirm password. You're assigning a password, basically. If you know the seed phrase, you got the back door into, it is the universal, scroll down, import. So, all done. So that's if you already had a MetaMask. So you can see by doing that though, it didn't, if you go to the drop down where it says Ethereum, it didn't retain. So you'd have to go back, you'd have to re-import, you'd have to re-import the Binance. You're technically importing the exact same wallet, but any settings as far as like what coins you had visibility of and things like that are lost. And that is on a per device. You can have your same wallet on both your laptop and your phone with the seed phrase, but what you have to, the settings like importing custom chains and importing custom tokens is on a per device basis. So every device you'd need to import which coins or wallets and things like that you'd want to see. It isn't saved globally or anything like that. It's saved on an instance or device basis. So that's going to conclude what we set up for MetaMask, importing Binance Smart Chain, as well as importing our custom token. It is going to get even easier. We're going to make it just simple buttons in our Get Anubit Now section. But for now, this is the most efficient way to do it, and truthfully, it took about 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So I hope this helps out. If you ever lose your MetaMask, hopefully this gives you some guides about how to reestablish it, how to make things convenient for yourself. Follow-up video part 2 to this is going to be one that we web stream from our phone. It's a little more technical for us to stream from a phone versus a computer, which is much easier. So we're going to get that all configured, set it up, and broadcast that. But bear with us on that. It's going to take a couple minutes for sure. And otherwise, we will be back a little later. We're going to do a real stream, not just a tutorial, but a stream to kind of talk about where things are at, where things are going, and the exciting week we have ahead of us. We are all kind of roaring and chomping at the bit. All right,